Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. And the first one, these earbuds have ANC. You can enable in the application right here, or you can enable by a gesture, by press and hold this left earbud. And you have 5 presets for the ANC, so I recommend it to try all of them and decide what will be the best one for you. And next, when you met someone, you don't need to remove your earbuds, you can enable transparency mode, and right here you can also, you have 2 modes. I like this natural, for me it's the best one, and you just speak with someone without removing your earbuds. If you play games, I recommend it to enable game mode. You can make it in the application, and I guess you will like it. Next one, this earbud support dual connection. You can also enable it in the application, and you can connect 2 devices to your phone, to your earbuds simultaneously. Next, these earbuds support LDAC codec and aptX, but it's not available for iOS devices. So if you have iPhone, it wouldn't be a plus for you, but if you have Android, it's a huge plus, and I recommend it to also try LDAC and aptX codec. But if you want to use LDAC, you need to check in developer option if your phone supports it. So you just enable it in the application, and then you check is it work on your phone. If you want to use aptX codec, you need to have QR code chip. So yeah. The last one. I tested microphone on these earbuds, and actually I like it, a really good microphone. I hear myself clearly when I spoke softly and normally, and then I tested it with background sound, and it mute background sound, so I also hear myself clearly. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!